Dear Bunsen, Honeydew, here at Muppet Labs where the future is being made today. Well, our latest development is the Germ Enlarger. For years, scientists have had to study teensy-weensy germs under a powerful microscope. But now, the Germ Enlarger makes the microscope obsolete. Comes out of your pay, Beaker. Here in this dish is isolated a sample of the deadly germ Streptococcus yuccotherium. Now, watch what happens when Beaker adds 1 drop of Germ Enlarger. Notice how easy it is now for Beaker to study that germ. And vice versa. That's all for now from Muppet Labs. Well, Beaker.
Bunsen, that germ better not be contagious.